Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Topical Map AI, a tool that claims to build AI topical maps with clustered keywords, live search data, and content briefs for any niche. So it claims to cluster up to 1,200 keywords with real search data into a topical map in record time and export those content briefs and maps to CSV, PDF, or Google Docs. So you can turn any niche into a complete SEO content plan with clustered keywords, search data, and content brief. The difference here of the plans will be the numbers of the maps per month, the number of team members, the number of batch generations, the REST API access, and if you want a white label PDF report, you will need to get at least the license tier 3. So let's take a look at the tool. Just type our niche and click on create your map. My niche is education for lawyers, and you can select your audience, select industry, select goal, amount of topics, the model you want, if it's called Sonnet, GPT-4 or GPT-4. You may use your sitemap context and then generate your map. You wait a few minutes and your new map will be available in the maps page. My map's ready with thousands 35, 350 keywords, 14 hours saved, and more than $500 value created. Take a look. Uh, Here is your map that you can export to a CSV and Excel, and you will see here the subtopics, the keywords, if it is easy to rank or not, more topics and keywords. You can public share the map or embed the map on your website, and you can generate content briefs using your maps. You just select one of your keywords and topic. So let's say best legal research platform for law students and generate brief. In that case, I would need more credits to see the briefs. Unfortunately, I do not have, but you can create AI content brief using your credits. Here they say the best keyword to brief first. So the idea here is that you're going to create your topical maps with the topics and the keywords. You're gonna create content briefs and then we'll tackle it and publish to your website. The tool seems pretty nice and I'm gonna test it more. As you can see here, I created a third map and you can see the title, definitions of constitutional law, the subtopic, what's constitutional law, and the keywords, what's constitutional law. You see the number of search and if it's easy to rank or not. Then you can create a brief for each of your map and you have a content brief. Then you can tackle it and publish on your website. The idea here, you're gonna create a whole blog post around a topic, easy using the topical map AI. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.